Ow!
Yeah.
Oh, God!
Alright, so what the problem was is I had this thing not in there right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put this thing like this and make sure that spring goes on this side. And now I'm going to get it positioned in that gear. Of course, now that I'm doing this, it's going to take longer. Make sure I got it in there right. So what happens is when you crank it, it's supposed to spin that and engage the kickstarter. Then when it's done, it springs back down like that. So what I'm trying to do is get this thing in here. I know it was in a little bit farther. Oh, there we go. Hey, I think we got it. Now we're going to put the spring back. Push the pressure down here. It's definitely tighter than ever. I didn't have it on there like this before. Let's see if we can slide it back a little bit. Oh, there we go. Did you catch that on the camera? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Good, because that doesn't happen very often. All right, there we go. Now, we're going to put everything back together.
And then another episode in like 2 days.